95% of traders fail, and it's because of the same 3 mistakes. If you're new here, I'm Lance Breitstein, ex-Trillium top trader, mentor to 7- and 8-figure P&L per year traders, and I've made over $100 million in verified profits. Reason number 1, they don't give themselves a long enough runway. Most people who get into trading have been sold a dream. Make a few grand a month trading options from your phone. Quit your job and trade from the beach in 30 days. It's all total garbage. The reality, to even make a dime consistently in trading, it takes years. And that's if you're doing it the right way, with mentorship, with structure, working full-time hours, and treating it like a real craft. Think of it like basketball. When you shoot a 3-pointer, chances are it might go in. But if you make one shot, you don't think you're the next Steph Curry. But when it comes to trading, people think after one, or even after a few successful trades, they have it all figured out. If you're part-time, learning on your own, no guidance, no framework, you're looking at 4 to 5 years minimum before you even sniff profitability. If you don't know where to start to find guidance and frameworks, I highly recommend checking out my trading course. It's linked in the description. Far and away, the most common reason traders fail is due to unrealistic expectations. There are so many well-intentioned, smart, capable people who give up. Not because they weren't talented, but because they didn't realize how long the road was. If you can only commit a few hours a week and you're treating trading as a hobby, that's totally fine. But if you're trying to make this your livelihood, you better be ready for thousands of hours of real work, because that's what it takes to stand a chance.
You got a dream, you got to protect it.
Reason number 2, they don't have a strong enough why. I talk about this all the time because it's the fuel that keeps you going. There are a lot of reasons people get into trading. Maybe they love challenges. Maybe they want to make money. Maybe they want to be their own boss or escape a job they hate. And honestly, there's no right or wrong reason. But this game is brutal. It never gets easy. Even at the top, I still have losing months. I still have days that make me want to quit. So whatever your reason is, it has to be strong enough to carry you through all of it. If your why isn't powerful, if you're not emotionally invested in pushing through the pain, you're gonna quit. Everyone does eventually, unless they have something deep and real pulling them forward. The final reason, reason number 3, they chase shortcuts instead of doing the hard work. This one's a killer. Most traders want the quick fix, the secret indicator, the golden setup, the one perfect YouTube video that changes everything. But trading does not work like that. The only way to improve is to do the hard and sexy work. Studying thousands of charts, testing different strategies, tracking your stats, reviewing your bad trades, asking yourself the hard questions. What was I thinking emotionally here? Why did I ignore my stop? What pattern was I hoping for, and was it even there? This kind of reflection, this kind of deep work, it's what separates real traders from hobbyists. One of the best ways to do this is by creating a daily report card to track your progress. And I'll show you how to do it in this video right over there. But most people would rather download some Reddit indicator than take an honest reflection of what the hard work they need to improve is. And that's exactly why they fail. So yeah, 95% of traders fail. But it's not because trading is impossible. It's because most people never even give themselves a fair shot. They quit too soon, they don't know why they're doing it, and they're not willing to grind through the hard work that actually leads to mastery. If you can fix just those 3 things, your expectations, your why, and your work ethic, you'll be more informed than most that foolhardily attempt to tackle this profession. Armed with better information, that is how we can beat the odds and be the 5% of traders who succeed. And I'm sharing everything I've learned on this channel to make you a better trader. So subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching, good luck, and see you in the next one.